Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to do conversions of and these are the units of length. So some of the units are like kilometer. We know that kilometer equals to 1000 meter, meter equals to 10 decimeter. These are the relations. Then 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. Many more, like you can also represent these values in terms of centimeter, millimeter. Then 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Here you can see, and the smallest one over here is millimeter, and we know that this is 1 millimeter equals to 0.01 centimeter. From here we can get. Now suppose if you have to solve this type of questions like dash centimeter equals to 1.5 millimeter equal to dash centimeter. So how to do this type of conversion? Over here we know this value 1.5 meter. So for taking this value we will do the conversion. So here we have 1.5 millimeter. We know that 1 millimeter equal to, we have to convert this into decimeter. So from here we can see that 1 millimeter equals to 10 decimeter. So we can write down over here that is equal to 10 decimeter. So 1.5 meter equals to how many decimeters? So we will do this 1.5 meter, that will be equal to, the normal practice for doing this type of conversion is that we divide 10 by 1, means 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. So how many 1.5 meter will be equal to how many decimeters? So we do this, we will multiply this 10 into 1.5. 1.5 decimeter. So this is our one conversion. Now we have to do the reverse one, that is this 1.5 meter equals to how many centimeter. So let's do that conversion, the reverse one. Here, from here we can get that 1 meter equals to how many centimeter. So here you can see that 1 meter equal to, we know that that is equal to 100 centimeter. From here we can convert, like this is 10 decimeter, 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. Then 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So from here we can multiply this by 10, and then we get that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So, and this we know also. So 1, we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter equals to how many centimeter? 1.5 meter. This will be equal to 100 into 1.5 centimeter. So this is how we can convert, or we can find solution for this type of question. Now let's solve another question. Our next question is to convert this 450 millimeter into this is equal to how many centimeter. So from here we can see that 1 millimeter equals to 0.01 centimeter. So we can convert, we know that 1 millimeter equal to 0.01 centimeter. So this 450 millimeter, so we can straight away we can multiply this 450 millimeter, we can just multiply this 450 into 0.01 centimeter. So this will be actually this 0.01, this is actually equal to 450 into 1 by 100. So this is 0.01, this is actually equals to 1 by 100. So when we divide 450 by 100, we will get this equal to 4.5 centimeter. So this is how we can convert. This is another conversion. Let's do next question. Then our next question is to convert 2 decimeter into millimeter. So from here you can see that 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. So we can write down 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. And we know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So one way we can write down, this is equal to 10 centimeter, because if 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, so 10 centimeter equals to 10 into 10 millimeter, we can say. Now we have to convert this 2 decimeter equals to how many millimeters? So obviously we will multiply this by 2. So we can write down 2 decimeter. So 2 decimeter equals to 10 into 10 into 2 millimeter. So this is equal to 200 millimeter. So this is how we can do some conversions. Many more conversions we will learn in next video. Thank you.